In this video, I hope to show you and do a good job of showing you how much it costs to actually have bad credit. All right, guys, I'm going to load some numbers onto the screen here in a moment. And what I have here is an example of a family with bad credit and a family with good credit. Now, before I load these numbers, I want you to understand that these numbers that I'm calculating here, they're very conservative, okay? What I'm going to show you is a family that has 2 car payments, a home loan, and then a toy, like a boat or a 4-wheeler or something like that. And that's typical. Now, you know as well as I do, lots of families have more loans than that. I mean, we're talking about credit cards, personal loans, student loans. So I just want to explain how conservative these numbers are in this video. So let's get right to it. On the screen here, you can see here I've calculated the person with bad credit at 22% interest. Now, we typically see people with bad credit having loans at 30% interest every day. And then on the right side, as you can see, we've calculated the person with good interest only at like 7%. And honestly, you know, people with good credit, they actually get interest as low as 0%. So again, I'm just reiterating how conservative this model is. But if you look down here on the car number 1, now look at car 1 here. Based on that interest rate, you can see that they pay $20,000 in interest just on that car over the course of that term. And on the second car, you can see they pay $12,000 in interest. And on a home, they pay $177,000 in interest. And then on their boat or whatever the toy is, they pay $6,500 in interest. Now, if you compare that with the family on the right that has good interest, just add the numbers up here. You can see $5,700, $3,400, and check it out. You'll see that the total interest paid for the family with not good credit, they paid $280,000 in interest, as opposed to $165,000 in interest just for having good credit. That is a lot of money. Okay, now think about this. That's $115,000 wasted, just burned. Now, if you divide that by 12 months, it's $5,700 a year, and it breaks down to about $480 per month that you could be using to go on vacation. It's a free car payment. And guys, you got to understand that having good credit, it's easy, it's free. You just have to learn the rules to credit, which is what we teach at B&B Credit Builders. Not only will you pay an astronomical amount of money in interest for not having good credit, there's things like you'll get turned down for a job if you have bad credit. Employers run your credit reports now to see what's going on in your life financially. Also, you may not be able to rent an apartment. You certainly won't be able to buy a house if you have bad credit. And also how much you pay for insurance. So again, these figures were extremely conservative, but I feel like some people don't realize how much money it is. So if you're looking to build your credit and have great credit, give us a call at B&B Credit Builders. We help people build great credit every day, and it's super easy and it's not expensive.